Hey guys, Mark and Swan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, sales, and reps and maximize our compensation plan for your Oriflame business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets rapid fire, no fluff, no time wasting, all facts. I'm going to save a special bonus for the very end. Stay tuned for those instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the #1 lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you the exact 3-step strategy that I use to become a top recruiter and to hit the leaderboards for sales with a completely different company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted prospects to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people. In this way, you can attract highly targeted leads to you of people who actually buy. So you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. So imagine how it would be if you had a business working for you instead of the other way around. You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint, my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. YouTube. You want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others who've already accomplished what you want to accomplish, looking at what they've done, and creating updated content going after the same keywords. You're going to use a tool called TubeBuddy to do this, and I left a link in the description with that tool. You're going to go to the video that you want to replicate. You're going to click on the video. You're going to copy the tags to a Word document. You're going to create a coherent title with your keyword phrase, and your title should go after multiple keywords. You're going to create a description that is 300 words in length, and you're going to scatter your keywords throughout. Place your link at the top of this description. At the end, you're going to create a thumbnail using canva.com and save your thumbnail as that primary keyword. This is going to allow you to go after multiple keywords and rank on Google and YouTube and get traffic to your offer. You don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat, copy the right cat. You don't want to copy word for word verbatim what somebody said, but you want to create similar content saying similar things going after similar keywords. And you want to make your content 3 to 5 minutes long, and you use open broadcast system to share your screen. Save the video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to go to exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. You're essentially looking for like-minded network marketers. And you're going to, once you find those people, you can start engaging them with a first message. Hey, Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I've been noticing the comments that you've made on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, so I thought we should connect. It would be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? When you start off in this way, genuine, people are going to be more receptive to having that conversation with you. How to engage people on your timeline. You want to do quotes, post pictures, post blog posts, and I love my blank, fill in the blank. Those things are going to get people to comment and engage with your posts. So the next time that you post, more people will be able to see your next post. You want to connect in groups, okay? So always go into groups like the Tony Robbins fan page, the Robert Kiyosaki fan page. You're looking to make 5 to 10 connections each day. It's the key to keep in mind is that you're in there to make connections and not to close prospects. If you're in there trying to close prospects, it's not going to be good for you and your presence in that community. You want to post curiosity and not resistance. So you definitely don't want to blast your company logo all over the place. You want to post curiosity. That's images, pictures of you at the beach with your family, some food, those kind of things, and fun polls. All those things work. Okay, about 10% about your business where you're posting maybe a result, somebody who did something in the business, something like that. Only about 10% there. That's because a lot of these curiosity posts actually lead to the conversation that will eventually lead people to taking a look at what you have to offer. For example, a good example of a curiosity post is, this morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. what this might do is get people to reach out to you, say, hey, what's that green powder all about? And at that point, you've naturally had a conversation where you can then offer exactly what you're offering without being pushy as a salesperson. Guys, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this. I'll see you on the other side.